Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siska Rahmayanti, a first grade student at UIN Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung, Islamic Economic Study Program. On this reason, I represent the macroeconomic course of the teaching lecturer Professor Muhammad Anton Antoila. Let's start to the presentation. Investment theory and the relationship between investment and tech on economic growth. Introduction. Investment is an initial step in production activity and is a factor in increasing economic growth. Thus, investment is essentially the first step in economic development activity. The dynamic of capital investment influences the high and low level of economic growth, reflecting high and slow development. Issue regarding investment author receive response from development theorists and practitioners. The opinion regarding the importance of investment in supporting the development of developing countries began with the discovery of a growth model after the Second World War. Methodology presentation. The study adapt a qualitative descriptive methodology literature study where the information that has been narrated come from written sources such as book, manuscript, journal, and document related to investment theory. From that, this set also involve non-participation observation on people behavior in certain situations. This activity aims to understand the impact of a particular phenomenon. With this descriptive method, you can also identify the phenomenon from various points of view and causal factor. And then, investment theory. Investment is a strategic factor in the economic activity of a country region. The size of the investment realized in a country can have an influence on the size of the increase in economic growth in that country. May define in regional economic study that economic development is one of the functions of investment in the sense of capital investment of the most essential economic factor and easily measured quantitatively. Investment in economic theory is defined as capital investment. The addition of new capital good, new capital information, according to Robinson. Investment expenditure according to its use is divided into the three interests, namely construction, rehabilitation, and expansion. Construction is expenditure to build something that is new, while rehabilitation is expenditure to repair something that has been damaged. Meanwhile, expansion is expenditure to increase capacity, increase volume, or within space. Type of investment. In general, investment is categorized into two types, namely real asset investment and financial asset investment. Real asset, tangible stocks and building, vessel, factory, horse, apartment, and so on. Financial assets are document or security in the form of share, bond, mutual fund, and pension or other. The difference is that financial assets are much easier to convert into money, whereas assets take a long time. For investors, short-term interest, the liquidity of financial assets is much better than real asset. There are separation with people invest, including the first to get more design live in the future and next, namely recruiting inventory freezer by investing in other objects or companies. People can prevent their wealth asset from depreciating in value. Investment decision making. The series of investment activity will show how investors to make investment decision on securities instrument, namely investing in what security will be cost, how much investment fund will be made, and when the investor will make the investment. The process of making investment decision requires capability for capital market player with ease relate to the ability of individual investor relate to cognitive, affective, and cognitive aspects which are related such as processing financial and non-financial information, applying knowledge about investment to aspects of fundamental analysis and technical analysis, showing in the level of investor investment preference perfection regarding risk and return, as well as the investment learning process. And then criteria and basic investment consideration. Economic and financial experts have found forward a number of investment criteria such as firstly, the net present value, or secondly, the internal rate of return ARR. Thirdly, capital returning. Fourthly, the capital turnover criterion is also often called the output maximization criterion for unit of capital or the output to capital ratio criterion. According to Chenery, this criterion is useful for negotiating between various projects in a particular sector. The five social marginal productivity criteria from Kahn and Chenery. Six, Carlson and Levinson reinvestment criteria. Present value, equation net present value. And then information VV is the present value of income earned between year 1 to year end if maximized to the investor in depreciation in year end. YR, Y2, YN is the net income profit obtained by the company between year 1 and year end. R is the interest rate if the current value of the investment capital is M. The investment is said to be profitable if the current value is greater than M. Information: M is the value of investment capital, Y1, Y2, YN. In the next income profit obtained from year 1 to year end, R is the rate of the return of capital. Capital cost. Cost of capital is an information concept in investment analysis because it can indicate the minimum level of investment profit that must be obtained from the investment. The appropriate cost of capital for a decision is the weighted average of all capital component with cost of capital, or WACC. However, not all capital components are taken into account in determining WACC. Account payable are not taken into account in the WACC calculation. Not payable or interest bearing short-term debt are included in the WACC calculation. Only the debt is part of the company permanent expenditure and not temporary expenditure. Therefore, the total cost of rating what a unit of capital for a Fridays. The cost of capital defined on the price of capital, the interest rate, the rate at which the price of capital change and the rate of the depreciation. Investment and economic growth. The good or bad of development program and the quality of government policy as a whole are measured based on the speed or growth in national output that they procedure. The economic growth model used as a basis for growth theory is the Solow-Swan model. The basic equation of this model is Y FKL, where Y is economic growth, K is capital stock, while L is labor. Thus, for economic growth, new investment is needed, which is in addition to reserve of capital stock. Investment play an important role in development theory, so it is often called the engine of growth. Take an economic growth. Take a transfer of wealth from the people to the state treasury to finance routine expenditure, and the surplus is used for public saving and is the main source for financing public investment. However, take that getting close to 0 or 100 will not benefit elder pillar as one, government, business, and social, because take that are getting close to 0 or 100 will further reduce the productivity of economic growth and reduce employment opportunity. The diagram on the side represents growth, secret economic growth of an unemployment rate percentage of for people from the Central Statistic Agency. The image above shows the trend of several economic and social indicators in the 2012-2022. Fred says economic growth percentage of for people and unemployment. The Indonesia economy has managed to recover from the downturn following the COVID-19 pandemic that hit is 2020. This is shown by economic growth, which has continued its descent to 2021. Social indicators also show a trend that will improve again in 2022 and compared to the previous year, such as the percentage of poor people and the unemployment rate which are decreasing. In the midst of the global economic slowdown, the IMF estimates that Indonesia will remain solid in terms of economic growth. Indonesia economic is projected to reach 5.0% in 2023 and increase to 5.1% in 2025. Other macroeconomic indicators such as investment realization also saw an increase in 2022. Domestic direct investment was recorded in IDR 55,277 trillion, or an increase of 23.5%, and free direct investment. Conclusion: investment can be defined as expenditure or capital investment for company to purchase capital good and production equipment to increase the ability to produce good and service in the economic in general. Investment is categorized into two types, namely real asset investment and financial asset investment. Then, the reason for investing is for a better life in the future. There are several types of investment, namely autonomous investment and introduced investment, both public investment and private investment. The three are domestic investment and foreign investment, fourth gross investment and net investment. Investment play an important role in development theory, so it is often called the engine of growth. Classical and neoclassical growth model rely on investment to increase economic growth. Then, in the relationship between investment and growth, the accumulation model occurs when part of the income is saved and reinvested with the aim of increasing output and income in the future. To support economic growth, new investment is needed, which is a net addition to reserve or capital stock tax and economic growth with tax of government generate income and come finance government activity and development. The relationship between tax income and income received can be visualized using a chart. It can be ascertained that if tax were 100%, the will be no resident working or carrying on economic activity on that basic or amount of tax must be 100%. Okay, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.